Many companies are already using a great cloud platform called ServiceNow, and they are very satisfied. Let's have a look at what happens if a company needs to work with ServiceNow data. What if you want to use your favorite reporting tool or business intelligence software? The data is somewhere in the cloud. It's far away. You can use the ODBC driver to connect your application to ServiceNow. But the driver has its natural limitations, and it does not always fit the reporting requirements. Your ServiceNow experts might try to develop a direct integration themselves using the standard ServiceNow API. However, such solutions are hard to build, and the ongoing maintenance costs are very high. SnowMirror is a smart data replication tool for ServiceNow. It replicates the data from ServiceNow to your traditional database, such as Oracle or Microsoft SQL Server. All of the selected tables are synchronized into a database running in your environment. Then you have the data inside your organization, and you can easily connect all of your favorite applications to the database. It's that simple. Now the data is downloaded. That's it. Imagine your favorite reporting tool working with the data mirror stored in a local database. SnowMirror does this with no performance impact to your production instance, no matter how complicated the operations you are running. At any time, you have ServiceNow data at your disposal. SnowMirror. Simple and effective.